Hello friends, how are you? For English learning, I think that right and good environment is also necessary if you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak fluent English language. Then if you don't find a good environment around you, then I think that you will face problems while learning or improving English language. So how you can get a good environment around you, because when you are in a rush in busy place, then no ideas would come into your mind, and you will not do struggle, you will feel bored in rush places. So for good environment, I think that you should search a silent place where there nobody around you, and you can speak or do your practice with ease. As I'm here standing in a field, and no one is around me here and there, no one is on my right hand, no one is my left hand, no one in my background, and I'm lonely here talking with you with confidence, because if some people are standing this side, some people are standing talking on this side, then my attention will be diverted toward them, and I will be disturbed, because I am speaking in English language. Those people are not known with the English language, they know the national language or local dialect. When I speak English language, they will stare at me, they will look me with strange eyes. So these kind of the problems when you don't find the good environment. So whenever you want to learn something, go aside in a separate place where no one is present, and only the beautiful natural environment is in around you, and in that environment you will feel fresh, your mind will feel fresh, and with fresh mind you can learn things very easily. Otherwise, if you are beside a fresh environment, I think that your fresh mind is also necessary. If your mind is full with a lot of tensions, lot of problems, then you are not able to create something, you are not able to learn something, because your mind is thinking something else, but you are doing something else. In this way you will face problems. So if you want to learn English language, I think that get a good environment at home, and ask your family that they will give you the opportunities to do your practice. And if sometimes we feel problems in family also, because family is not understanding when you are speaking English language, you are non-native English language speaker, you are speaking or making videos in English language, your family will also look you look you with staring eyes. They will stare at you, because in the beginning they will feel that you are wasting your time, you are what you are speaking. They would not understand, because they don't know the importance of language. Only the person will know the importance of language who has suffered from such kind of the experience, who know the English language. Otherwise sorry, I have some problems in my throat, irritations. So I'm saying that environment is very necessary, because I have experienced this. Whenever I am in city areas, no creative things comes into my mind, and when I am in village areas, open environment, beautiful fields, here and there the trees, beautiful trees full of bloom, and beautiful weather. Sometimes the clouds are on sky, sometimes it's raining, and that is creating the beautiful environment. And in such kind of environment, silent places, some birds are chirping here and there on the trees, and these kind of natural things makes you to think about the nature. You become the creative mind person. So when I am in village, I think better, but when I am in city area, my mind go blank, my mind does not think in a proper way, because of the rush life of the city area. But when I am in countryside areas, here is the silent environment, and my mind works properly, and I create lot of things. I have created lot of things in my previous life. I used to write the telefilms scripts, and those I wrote in my loneliness, sitting in fields, sitting in you can say far away from my house, in silent place, and where their mind works properly. And I wrote a lot of scripts in local language. Those are recorded telefilms, teleplays. I used to write some comic skits for children. I used to write some news for newspaper in previous time. So when you are in a good environment, your mind works properly. But when you are not in good environment, your mind does not work properly. So find good environment if you want to improve yourself in English language. If you want to speak English language fluently, I think that environment will help you a lot. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.